So as we stated last night, if you can see, the highway is right there, the interstate. I'm gonna probably make us some coffee, and we're gonna hit the road. Got the coffee, had a little breakfast, hitting the road, headed to Tucson. We just got done eating Say's Kitchen. We're now about to go on a hike. Let the dog get some energy out, let us get some energy out.
Let's go.
Do any lions know lions?
This hike did not go as planned. On the trail, Honey ran into a cacti, got stuck. Ezra fell down and got a bobo. About 1/4 of the way in, we just decided to call it quits, turn around, and head back to the van, and that's when things went downhill.
So we got in the van and we had a reservation for a campground.
We didn't even get to show
A state park. Yeah, no, we didn't even show you. As we're pulling up to the campground, I immediately had to stop and I told Kylie, I said, like, I don't feel good. Like, I feel like I'm about to throw up. We were like, we can't be at a state park in the van.
We can't be in this little van.
You know, doing all of this. We've got to go to a hotel.
With no flush toilet.
The hotel was 25 minutes away. We didn't even pull out of the state park. She threw up. As I stood up, it made me feel nauseous and wheezy. I had to open the door, puke on the side of the road. This van, I know they have a speed limit of 84 and she hit it going on the interstate.
Oh, I went to like 86.
I was so tired, but like I was so weak, like I was seeing double as she was driving. I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna help her out. And I was like, and I would zone out. Like I was so weak. Luckily, we made it to the hotel. We threw away the toilet that was in here. We're heading to Cabela's of Glendale because they actually have one in stock. Thank the Lord, because that's the only one that fits in that slider. What's been going on? What have we been doing the past couple of days?
Staying in a hotel.
That's right. So we got on the road and we're 15-20 minutes down the road, and Ezra started to feel bad. Started throwing up. Hopped in a hotel room. Not 6 hours later, Harvey started throwing up. So we stayed in another hotel another 2 nights. So we've been in the hotel the past 4 nights. Kylene's in Sprouts right now, getting us some groceries. We're hopefully gonna hit the road and just go where the van takes us.
After unloading all of the groceries in the van, we are hitting the road to Sedona. We are so excited. The whole trip, this has been the end goal, is to make it to Sedona. We made it right before sunset. We found an epic camping spot. We unloaded the van, made a sandwich for dinner just to make it easy, enjoyed the sunset, and then Zach made a fire for us to sit by the fire and enjoy. The next morning we woke up, cooked, the boys played, and then we just kind of called this our reset day. I had to catch up on the computer. Zach took the boys on a little hike around our camping spot. Hey, is this the best trip?
Yeah.
Where are we at? Do not come on there.
In Sedona.
Is it my birthday tomorrow?
Yeah. And tomorrow we're going on the Jeep.
Yeah. All right, tonight's dinner appetizer is dates with peanut butter, cinnamon, and honey.
Yeah.
It's more of like a dessert.
All for me.
It's not all for you.
Dessert first?
Mm-hmm. Dessert first.
Okay.
Hey.
Sounds great.
Oh, you gotta eat all
Not too
of
shabby.
it. Mommy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. It's what? Guys, so back on video, going on a Jeep and driving.
We're renting a Jeep.
Yeah.
Are we about to go on some Jeep trails?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Who's excited?
Us. I'm going to dust the land up.
Dust the land up.
I figured this is where we are going to leave you guys this week. We rented the Jeep for 2 days and got to do so many trails. It's just gonna have to be one video together. So anyways, we'll see you next week. Stay steady.
Let's take photos here.
A selfie? He's telling you to come here and take a selfie.